It's nice where many of us felt that there was a platform given where we could openly speak, and that was also heard, taken it positively. That's I see as one of the points, because the points that you covered is the challenges with the growth and everything. That will give us some insight into.
Hi, it was a great session, and you have been a great mentor today. I think this is a great session today. Thank you very much.
Self-assessments and then understanding of inter-departments, so open talks about their mindset and it helps.
People keep saying that we want to make it very interactive, and generally it happens to be only monotonous, but I think you have made it to be really very interactive.
And there was not a system proper arrangement. We didn't have that, so you have arranged it properly, so we can follow it easily.
To align it to a properly, to make in one place where how you can go about it. That's all about this training, I feel.
That is the thing I want. And self-monitor, of course.
That is a very good session. Happy to know each other, their perspective and their mind. They talk from their mind, so it was all good. Today I felt good. Thanks.